So if you're sitting on a bunch of 18650 cells, one of the simplest applications for reusing those is a power bank like this. So this one has two USB-A outputs, USB-C input, and micro USB input. And these are the recycled or reused cells I've put in here. They've charged all night. And we'll just do a quick voltage check on these. Set the multimeter in the correct 14.16, 14.16, 14.16, 14.16, 14.16, 14.16, 14.16, 14.16. That is what you want to see. So all these cells are charged, equally balanced. This thing is ready to go. Should have quite a bit of power. And this shell was like $13 on Amazon. So can't beat that. So that's 100% charge. And now we are charging this headlight. No problem. Link to this in the description below. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.